Welcome back to STL Live. I'm Sarah Bernard, and my guest Jeanine Arrighi is sharing with us today how the new smoking ordinances will affect St. Louisans. And just to recap what we were talking about, why don't you tell our viewers again what's new in the smoking ordinances in the city of St. Louis?
Yeah, so there are two new ordinances that prohibit the sale of tobacco and tobacco-related products, including vaping products, to anyone under the age of 21.
Yeah, so that
the
was
sale or distribution, I should add.
Right, so that was a change from age 18. So that's a really big change and a significant change for our city and for our residents, and an important change as well. Already established in the county as well.
That's right.
So our whole metropolitan area. Okay, so Jeanine, as you're the bureau chief of the Environmental Health Services Division for the city of St. Louis, what exactly do you all do in your department?
So we have actually 6 different programs in environmental health. One of those is air pollution control that has to do mostly with environmental air pollution issues. But of course, smoking is also an air pollution issue. Mm-hmm. And so our community sanitation section enforces smoking regulations. As you know, the Smoke-Free Act of 2009 prohibited smoking in public places unless there's a specific exemption. Mm-hmm. That community sanitation group also does inspections of child care facilities, recreational water facilities, lodging establishments, as well as responding to complaints that are called into the Citizen Service Bureau. Mm-hmm. Also, the group that will be doing the education to the vendors of tobacco products will be our food and beverage control inspectors. And so those are the people that go out and make sure that our food establishments are healthy and are in compliance with the food code. Mm-hmm. We also have vector control, and this has been an important program for especially over the last year as we learned about Zika. Mm-hmm. And so treating and preventing this spread of mosquitoes, mm-hmm. and just keeping an eye on what kinds of mosquito populations are present in our city. And also emergency planning, just all kinds of emergency preparedness for any kind of bioterrorism potential, or even something like just severe weather issues. Preparation to make sure the city can cope with those issues. Now, I probably left one of them out. What did I leave out?
That's a lot, though. You've got a lot going on.
It is.
From mosquitoes to emergencies of every sort.
Exactly.
To smoking, to child care center inspections. I mean, that's a lot to keep organized.
Thankfully, we have an excellent staff of really highly trained and dedicated people to do that work.
Lots of people it takes to run this city of ours.
It does.
Lots of good people.
Lots of good people.
Yeah, well, very good. So what are the challenges ahead do you see for the short-term or long-term horizon? What's on your plate right now that you're thinking about?
Well, all of the administration changes is a big challenge for us, and we're hoping that our new administrations will be aware of how important public health is to keep our whole city safe.
Mm-hmm, absolutely. Very good. Well, Jeanine, thank you so much. And we need to remind our viewers, age 21 to purchase any kind of tobacco products,
That's
vaping
right.
products. So
yep.
Big change.
Big change.
And an important and a welcome change as well. So thank you for joining us today and for sharing with us what's going on in your department of the city. There's more STL Live after this. Stay with us.